Il-Malti jgħid fid-dinja jitħak għax jiġi żmien meta ma tistax. Sfortunatament fil-ħajja ta' kuljum ħafna jażlu li jfittxu x-xara fl-aġina u kull sitwazzjoni jagħtuha toma negattiva. Madankollu dan żgur ma jistax jingħad għal Elaine Lee, mara ta' 39 sena li minkejja d-diżabilità severa tagħha dejjem rat kif għamlet sabiex għexet kull mument u ispirat lil kull persuna li titkellem magħha.
Well, for those that are going through a hard time, I think it's really important just to take a deep breath, take a rest, and really appreciate everything around you.
Elaine Lee li tinsab għat-tieni darba f'Malta qalet ma' One News li minħabba kundizzjoni rari fl-Adam, it-tobba kienu qalu lill-ġenituri tagħha li l-possibiltajiet li tgħix aktar minn sentejn kienu fula f'qara.
I think inspiration is just from life itself and the fact that the doctors never expected me to live past the age of 2 years old.
Elaine li tagħmel użu minn siġġu tar-roti spjegat kif minħabba d-daqs xkejken tagħha tiltaqa' ma' numru ta' sfidi differenti.
Well, obviously, one of the main challenges is that I'm very tiny. I'm only 27 pounds, but I'm an adult, even though I'm 27 pounds. So a lot of people who don't know me personally think I'm a baby or I don't understand a lot and they think that I don't have a brain.
Is-sosten ta' familta kien importanti ħafna għal progress li għamlet Elaine tul ħajjita. Hawnhekk hija spjegat kif sa minn età żgħira għal muha tgħix ħajja normali.
My family always encouraged me and never thought of me as a person with a real disability, that I just keep going and living my life as a normal person. Every day I get up and I go and I just live life to the fullest.
L-artija ta' ispirazzjoni kbira għal Elaine hija gradwat minn Università fil-Kanada u permezz tal-arti tagħha hija trid twassal messaġġ pożittiv ta' ispirazzjoni.
I just love the ability to express and create whatever is in my heart. And I never plan what I do. I love colors and the vibrancy of life.
Elaine semmet b'appell ta' kuraġġ u saħqet li sakemm hemm il-ħajja għandek tapprezza kull ma għandek.
Don't take life for granted. You know, just appreciate everything that you have because you are alive and here today for a reason.